Thank you everyone. Today I discuss about image formed by the convex lens. First you have to draw the convex lens. Is a convex lens. Then you draw a principal axis and join these two tips of the lens that cut the principal axis at point O, and it is the optical center. By measuring, put f1 to f1, f2 and to f2. Must you put these points at equal distance. Now put an object. Say I put the object here in between f1 and to f1, and the object is AB. From the head of the object we take two light rays. First you take a ray which is parallel to the principal axis. This is the principal axis and the incident ray is the parallel to the principal axis. After refraction by the convex lens, this refracted ray goes through the another focus f2. This is the refracted ray for the ray parallel to the principal axis. Now from the head of the object take another ray. This is the another incident ray which passes to the optical center. According to the rules, this ray does not deviate, it goes straight, and it is the refracted ray. So this and these two are the two refracted rays for these two incident rays. These two refracted ray meets at a point A dot. So this A dot, point A dot, is the real image of A. Now draw a perpendicular A dot B dot on the principal axis. This A dot B dot is the real image of AB. It is the real image because the refracted ray meets actually two forms that image. Now this A dot B dot, it is inverted in manner and it is enlarged. This image will be enlarged or diminished. It depends upon the position of the object. Here if the object is at infinite, then the position of the image will be at F and it is the diminished and it will be real inverted. If the object is placed beyond 2F, then the object that the image is formed in between these two focus and it will be diminished, real and inverted. If the object is placed just at 2F, that means just at 2F1 here, then the image is also formed here at 2F2, that the image will be at 2F and it is the equal size of the object and real and inverted. If the object is in between 2F and F, that means here already we mentioned here, then the image is formed beyond 2F. Here the beyond 2F, the image is formed beyond 2F and it is the enlarged image, real and inverted image. If the object is placed at F, that means here if the object is placed here, then the image will be formed at infinite, very long distance at infinite, and it is the very enlarged image, real and inverted. But when the object is placed in between F and O, that means within the focal length, then the image is formed at the back side of the object. That means if the object is placed F to O within the focal length, then it is the position of the image is the behind of the object and it is the enlarged, virtual and erect. Now take it for this last one here. Now the object it is the convex lens. Also put the principal axis f1 to f1, f2 to f2 by measuring. Must be put them at equal distance. Now put the object AB within the focal length, that means within the O and F. This is here. Take two rays from the head of the object. One is parallel to the principal, the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it goes through the focus. This is the refractor ray. Now take another light ray from the head of the object and through the optical center. According to the rules of the refraction through the convex lens, this incident ray goes straight, that means does not deviate. Here these two refracted rays are diverge in nature, that means they do not meet actually at a point. Now they are proceeds in backward direction by dotted line. Then they meet at a point A dot. So this A dot is the virtual image of the head of the object A. Now draw a perpendicular from A dot to the principal axis, A dot B dot. This is the perpendicular from A dot, and this A dot B dot is the virtual image of the object AB, and it is formed behind the object. Must be it is erect in nature, that the both head of the object and image are in the same direction, that is it is the erect in nature, virtual must be, and it is the enlarged image. And this is, in this condition, the convex lens acts as a magnifying glass. This is the rules, or this is the technique how to draw the image. Please practice this construction in your copy and follow it. Thank you.